Elon Musk is about to change the future of travel forever with a $6,789 flying car that will fly from Giga Texas straight into your driveway. Tesla is not just making cars anymore. Elon Musk's next bold move is a flying car priced at just $6,789, bringing sci-fi tech into reality while redefining how we move through the skies. And here's where it gets really wild. Elon Musk isn't just chasing cars, he's chasing the future itself. Tesla, already a global leader in EVs and AI, has been rewriting the rules for years. But Musk sees competitors, especially those fast-moving Chinese tech firms, snapping up ideas and running with them. That never sat right with him. Now, picture this. A flying car, not just a concept from a sci-fi flick, but something you could actually climb into. That's Tesla's next play. While companies like Klein Vision, Leo Flight, Vertical Aerospace, and Terrapugia are already building flying vehicles, Musk isn't satisfied with just okay. He wants it fast, sleek, and disruptive. And then there's the price, $6,789. I know, it sounds insane. That number isn't random, it's a statement. Musk is basically telling the world, you can copy Tesla's tech, but good luck doing it at this price. Affordable, futuristic, and totally Musk-style audacious. But wait, why even bother with a flying car? Here's the thing. It's all about speed, distance, and efficiency. Imagine skipping traffic, soaring over crowded highways, and getting where you need faster than ever before. Still, it's not without risks. Flying vehicles are way more dangerous than a regular car. One mistake could be catastrophic. That's why Tesla isn't just winging it. Musk and his engineers are pushing for something almost impossibly safe, near zero risk of accidents. So you're not just taking off into the sky, you're doing it with confidence, precision, and cutting-edge tech backing you up. Now, the real magic happens at Giga Texas. Tesla picked this plant for a reason. It has the sharpest engineers, the cleanest production lines, and the tech muscle to handle something this complex. Full self-driving is developed here too, which demands insane levels of safety and precision. That same know-how is straight into the flying car prototype. Every part, every weld, every circuit is treated with the care of a NASA project. If anyone can take a wild concept like this and transform it into a functional, safe, and futuristic vehicle, it's the Giga Texas team. And here's a reality check before we dive fully into Tesla's plans. Flying cars aren't just a dream. Take Klein Vision's aircar, for example. This two-seat marvel is the first of its kind to get official flight certification, which is huge. It's no longer just a prototype on paper. You've got three power options: 280, 320, and 340 horsepower, with the 280 HP as the standard. It drives like a car, takes off like a plane, and switches modes in under 2 minutes. The wings fold perfectly into a compartment. The tail tucks in, and your vehicle is then prepared to fly or hit the road. Thanks to cutting-edge composite materials, it also weighs just 1,764 pounds, hence agile for 2 modes. It can reach 155 miles per hour in the air, travel up to 621 miles, and soar to 10,000 feet. On the ground, it hits reasonable speeds. Yes, you need a pilot's license and a driver's license, together with 2 to 3 months of flight instruction. This is serious, certified, actual technology, not a toy. Tesla now cranks this notion up a level. It is first all-electric, so there are no emissions, significantly less noise, and considerably less impact on the Earth. Combining speed, pleasure, and sustainability is Musk's trademark maneuver. Batteries provide the true difficulty. Flying cars need sufficient power to remain aloft without overbalancing the scales into impossible weight. Too heavy, it won't fly. Too light, and it won't be able to keep power. Introducing Tesla's 4680 battery cells. Lightweight, effective, high energy density. Essentially, they pack unimaginable power without bringing the vehicle down. early leaks suggest a scaled-down roadster appearance, 4 seats, and all the opulent attitude you would anticipate from a Tesla. Think of 4 passengers on a silent, smooth, and sustainable aircraft passing through traffic. Vision is that Musk is pursuing an electric flying car that's quick, ecologically friendly, yet still resembles a sports car. Knowing Tesla, one hopes to create it seems simple, even as though it's enchantment under your fingertips. And now, the magic behind the machine. How Tesla intends to actually construct this flying vehicle. The Giga press first. Tesla can cast the whole frame in one huge piece rather than welding scores of pieces together. That's great. It maintains the entire structure exactly regular while also reducing weight and improving strength. There is then the material mix, carbon fiber combined with light aluminium alloy. The outcome is a lightweight frame able to raise off the ground without breaking a sweat, strong enough to survive a trip. Aerodynamics is just as important. Every curve, every edge is designed to slice through the air smoothly, whether the car is rolling down the highway or soaring over a cityscape. Tesla isn't just thinking car or plane, they're thinking hybrid perfection. The body is optimized to reduce drag, keep stability, and make flying feel almost effortless. It's an engineering designed for performance and style in one package. Here's where it gets jaw-dropping. On the ground, this thing rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1 second. Yes, you heard that right. 1 second. Faster than almost anything you've driven or seen on the road. And then, when it's time to take off, the flying car doesn't just lumber into the sky. Electric jet engines, inspired by SpaceX propulsion tech, give it smooth, efficient thrust. Quiet, clean, and powerful, far from the noisy, smoky engines of traditional aircraft. Wheels, fully retractable during flight to slice down drag. Landing, Tesla's special system lets the car touch down gently, even on uneven surfaces, meaning it could take off or land in tight urban areas. Speed in the air? Up to 150 miles per hour. Range? Around 700 miles, enough for serious intercity travel. This isn't a gimmick, it's real-world performance engineered for thrill and safety. Imagine zipping over traffic, gliding above crowded streets, and landing like it's no big deal. That's not a flying dream anymore, it's Tesla making it real. Here is where the Tesla flying car really seems like something straight out of a sci-fi film. Alternating from vehicle to flight mode? Under 60 seconds, one button. That's it. Press it. The change starts. Multi-jointed wings emerge from the body, the tail automatically extends, and all of a sudden, your Tesla is more than just a vehicle. It's an airplane. This is the sort of smooth change that makes you overlook that you're even going between modes. Aerodynamics has a major part here. Every inch is intended to cut across the air smoothly, minimize drag, and preserve flight stability. It's not just about pace, it's about feeling grounded, secure, and responsive up there. The self-driving system takes care of everything on the road, allowing you to unwind as you negotiate traffic. The system deftly shuts off the moment you start flight, allowing the pilot complete control. Like the vehicle is alive, knowing exactly what you need at every stage, Tesla is combining technology, design, and instinct into one smooth, magical experience. Why should any of this matter now? Adaptability. Imagine soaring over traffic jams with no stress, no honking, just pure speed, leaving gridlocked roadways behind. That's a commuting transformation. It's about opening possibilities we did not have earlier, freeing time and expediting travel rather than only avoiding congestion. It is environmentally friendly as well. Electric power provides less noise, a far smaller footprint than conventional aircraft, and cleaner skies. Tesla is inventing not just for fun, but for Earth. And more broad-minded? This might signal the start of a totally fresh transportation age. Personal flying vehicles could turn into commonplace, linking cities, communities, and people in ways we have only dreamed of. By 2040, Klein Vision projects a $1.5 trillion flying car market that Tesla could dominate. Faster, cleaner, smarter travel is no longer a fantasy. It's Tesla making it tangible, and the world is about to see what's possible when aspiration meets engineering. Let's consider what this means for the future. Tesla's flying vehicle might revolutionize both city transit and interstate travel. Imagine skipping traffic jams altogether, flying over clogged highways, or hopping between cities in record time. With intelligent systems aiding your journey across the heavens, flights could be safer than we ever envisioned if Tesla's self-driving technology were added to the mix. Naturally, obstacles abound. The technology must be supported by regulatory approvals, pilot certification, and air traffic control integration. Compared to other flying vehicles, Tesla's advantage is clear. It offers eye-popping pricing, sustainability, and efficiency. While others target luxury or specialist markets, Tesla seeks something the globe may actually use every day. It could redefine personal transportation: fast, environmentally friendly, and affordable. The Tesla flying car isn't just a concept. It's the future of personal travel. Eco-friendly, fast, and affordable, it will redefine commuting. Imagine flying over traffic instead of sitting in jams. Hit like, share, and subscribe to follow every update as Elon Musk turns science fiction into reality.